effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Person, North Carolina. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area in the Virginia independent city of Danville. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for weather information and other conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio. This is commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here are the ones.
Includes the following counties in North Carolina.
A severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. Favorable for the development of severe weather may not be including large hail and damaging winds. Rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to the weather conditions.
Weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Tornado watch number 6.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockingham County, Stokes County, Henry County, and Patrick County, effective until 5:57 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County, Davidson County, Montgomery County, Randolph County, Stanley County, Guilford County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Germantown to near downtown Concord, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, Pine Point, Asheboro, Lexington, Albemarle, Randleman, Troy, Baden Lake, and North Carolina Zoo. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, Guilford, Montgomery, Randolph, and Stanley. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Randolph County, Northwestern Lee County, Southwestern Chatham County until 7 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Siler City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Siler City around 6:35 p.m., Goldston around 6:45 p.m., Pittsboro around 6:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cummick, Coleridge, Hasty, Bynum, and Ramsar. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee and Randolph,